We're back. So this is another example. Example 2, we want to solve -2 times the absolute value of x plus 3 is equal to -10. We're going to use our steps. So first off, we need to isolate the absolute value. Well, the absolute value here is not by itself because we've got this -2 in our way. Well, if we're multiplying by -2, then we want to divide both sides by -2. So I'm going to divide this side by -2 and this side by -2. And we will end up with, I'm going to change colors here just so we can see what's going on here. Well, the -2 is going to cancel out on this side, and we're going to end up with the absolute value of x plus 3. If I can do this with my mouse here. Always fun to draw with the mouse. X plus 3 is equal to, let's see, -10 divided by -2 is a positive 5. All right, now we end up with x plus 3 equals 5. Okay, so we isolated the absolute value. That's good. Now I'm going to check my work. I want to make sure that it's possible. Is the absolute value here equal to something positive? It is. It absolutely is. So we will set up and solve. I'm going to make a x plus 3 equals positive 5 over here. And then on this side, x plus 3 is equal to -5. All right, let's solve this. We did one just like this. So subtract 3 on both sides. And we end up with x equals 2 over here. And then we subtract 3 on this side. And we end up with x is equal to -8. All right. We solved it. I shouldn't have put a check there, but I did. We checked this in the last video. So if you want to see how we checked this in the last video, please do so. But I'm going to put a check mark here because I know that this is correct. And we're done.